Hello everybody, this is 2023 CRV, and this is doesn't matter hybrid or not. Engine oil procedure is the same on these cars. This will require 0W20, and you can take the engine oil cap out, and then we're going to take out the dipstick, let it sit right here and drain, and then let's go underneath. Under here you don't need a lot of tools. All you need is a Phillips head to remove these two bolts, and then you need a flat head to open all these around. Even though there is opening for the drain, when you drain the oil you're gonna get a mess, and I don't want that, so you can easily take this off. So these flat heads, these are not screws, these are half turn, basically clips. You're gonna do this and they come out. You notice that? We have them all the way around, so you can take all of them out. You notice how the other one came off easy and fell into the pan, and these don't listen that well? Yeah, tell me about that. Then at the back of this we got a Phillips screwdriver. Phillips screws, 2 of them. Take those out. Perfect. There goes the shield out of the way. Now you can see the engine oil drain plug right here. If I'm not wrong, so for the engine oil drain plug you need 17mm, and you can easily drain this boy out. Here we go. Let it completely drain, and then we can move the pan under here and change the filter. Okay, so to replace the filter, you're just gonna turn, let it drain out so you don't make mess, and then take the filter out completely. If your drip pan has a little spot for the filter, you can leave the filter in that spot, which mine does. Let's put a new filter in. So when you get a new filter, the seal part, you have to lubricate, apply some oil to it so it can slide easy when you're turning up. So now you can put your drain plug back in, tighten it down, make sure the filter is tight. Just take a look at anything else under your car that probably needs service. At this point I don't see any leaks. I didn't see any issues with the brakes. Axles are good. Control arm and ball joints look good. And put your cover back in, and let's go add some oil. Now let's add some oil. All you need is, I think, 5 quarts for this thing, and this requires a 0W20. A full gallon at once. Just check your oil. And looks like our oil is good. You can't really see it, it's new oil, but there it is. Because once we start it, the oil filter is going to hold some oil, and just add a tad bit extra to go into the filter, and you are all set. Next, I'm going to show you how to reset your oil light on. If you have it on, oil maintenance light for your car,